Hello guys, today again we're going for part 2 route, one of the test route which can be come on your test. Again, they're looking high standard of driving skill ability. Keep in mind the weather condition, all sort of road condition. We start from here, and as we go along I'm gonna do running commentary also, so give you as much in depth in detail about the test route here. We're gonna move off from here and end of road gonna turn left. Let's do my PO pomp routine. Scan, shoulder and move. End of road I'm gonna turn left, so I'm gonna stay a little bit slower here. Someone might be coming out from test center, and mirror signal left now. And watch any pedestrian crossing across the junction. Come up to the left side, keep in the weather condition, reinforce the indicator. So it's a yellow box also, make sure we don't end up in a yellow box. Flow the traffic. And we turn. As your station is stationary in traffic, just beware of motorbike cyclists filtering in the traffic flow. So again, scan the mirrors before you move. Traffic from the right side can join you. And this is the first car park on the right hand side next to the fish and chip shop. They can use for bay parking. Beware of any motorbike cyclists around you. Again, you got the yellow box again, and the zebra crossing, uncontrolled pedestrian crossing. So this is the car park on the right hand side, which they can use for the bay parking. Flow is there. I scan the mirror. Pedestrian crossing is clear. Again, scanning the mirrors. People might coming out from the station to cross the road, but there are a few number of pedestrian crossing in your surrounding. Just beware of pedestrians. Clear. The traffic level, I'm following the road head, and I'm going to hold back here. not sure bus gonna move or there's space in front of the bus actually. So I'm gonna stay here, and there's space here for me to go. I'm gonna scan the mirrors, go around it, and keep it slower. If someone walking in front of it, scan my mirrors, come back left. I'm following the road head. And it's just red from a distance. Hopefully it's going to change, but I'm going to pull my hand back up here now. Scanning my mirrors to know any cyclist, motorbike filtering between the traffic. It's going to be us now for a green. Scan my mirrors, and I'm going to move. I'm going to following the road as going straight. Keeping my gap from the car in front. If it's raining, then 4-second rule. If it's dry, then 2-second rule. Scan my mirrors, pedestrian going away, and make your progress. Speed is 30 miles per hour, Barley Lane. Pedestrian crossing change. I scan my mirrors again, and ready to slow down and stop. Motorbike cyclists around me. Numbers going on now. 2, 1. Lights can change. Scan my mirrors. Scan the crossing. I will go. Bus is coming up. I'm gonna scan the mirrors again. Slow down. Again, I'm scanning my mirrors. I'm changing my directions here. Barley Lane, 30 mile road, 27, 28 miles per hour. I'm taking a second road on right. This is the first one, so I'm going to mirror signal now. At this point, position myself in the box there. So I'm entering into Langham Drive. The front is clear. The road I'm going in is still 30 miles per hour. There's no change of speed in the mouth of the junction. And I'm going to take the first road on the left hand side. I scan my mirrors here and signal now. Again, it's a closed junction. I'm going to slow down and into Lexington Drive. Speed is still 30 miles per hour, and this is bollards giving me directions to go from the left hand side. I scan my mirrors, go from this way, from the left side. Again, scanning my mirrors again. No motorbike cyclists around me. Staying on the left side in. And end of road, I'm gonna turn right from Lexington Drive to Gresham Drive. Still no change of speed, it's still 30 miles per hour. I'm gonna stay behind, reinforce my indicator, position myself to the left side of the road. And it's a closed junction. I'm just make sure I look before I go. Scanning, leaning forward. Scanning, leaning forward. It's clear. I'll go now. Traffic calming measures. I'm gonna scan the mirrors. Nothing there. I'll make my position early. So I got the meeting traffic here. I'm gonna slow down. There's a second traffic calming measures. Clear to go. Again, I position myself a little bit more towards crown of the road. It's 30 mile at the moment. The triangle telling me it's getting narrow road. Again, traffic calming measures. Oncoming traffic I cannot see. I'm going to slow down, scan my mirrors, look ahead as far as I can see and go. Another one is priority, so I just look mirrors and slow down a bit here. End of road, I'm going to turn left here, so I'm going to mirror signal now. Again, it's a closed junction. I'm going to approach slower, maybe looking for the pedestrian to crossing at the junction from Gresham Drive. Clear, road is clear. Looking at my road I'm going in, and entering into Grove Road. Still 30 miles per hour. Try to look reflections, any car coming towards you. That's my meeting traffic here. I scan my mirrors again. Anything there? Nothing. And speed is going to 20 miles per hour. Again, look at my mirrors. End of road, I'm going to turn right and then first road left. So Grove Road, I'm going to mirror signal right here towards right side. Speed is still 20 miles per hour. Stop at my giveaway and try to scan both sides of it. Right is clear, lean forward. Left is clear, I'll go. Still 20 mile roads. Challery Lane, I'm taking the first road left here. Mirror signal left, slow down. Entering, it's a very narrow road, I'm going to slow down here. And entering into the Bryan Road, still 20 miles per hour. I'm following this road now. Scanning my mirrors again, look in the road, hold back. And scanning my mirrors and go. On this Bryan Road, they can ask you to do parallel parking with any of the car on the left hand side, or they can ask you the second maneuver, pull up on the right hand side and reverse 2 car length. So along this road, it's a 20 mile road. Keep in mind has a number of speed limits as speed humps as well, and you got the mini roundabout, and we're following the road head. I'm going to slow down again. I cannot see what's on the right side. Scanning my left mirror, no cyclist there. Right is clear, I go. They had the brake lights on, maybe meeting traffic, the traffic coming from the front. They have space to go around me. So I'm looking through the car in front. Keeping my 4-second rule gap with the car in front. Scanning my mirrors again to make my position back to left side. Again, slow, think about it, do something about it. So again, mirror roundabout, going straight, slightly circle and entering into dual carriageway. Just keep in mind you're going into 50 miles per hour. So pedestrian is there, just be careful, and pedestrian can be at the mouth of the junction to cross. Scan again, footpath first and then at the junctions. Clear from the right, look on the road you're going in. It's a 50 mile road now, you can see the sign here. And now you're going to independent driving and you're going to follow sign towards central London. So you're following central London direction. I had a little bit traffic ahead of me. I'm going to scan the mirrors, slow down. The right lane is faster. I'm going to change my lane here. Lights can change, so I'm going to ease off my gas here. It's green, I'm going to clear it. I'm going to stay with the right hand side. There's a bus joining from the left lane, they're going to slow down. Scanning my mirrors again. After the bus, I'm going to come back to left side again. So mirror signal left, position myself to the left side and position here. speed is 50 miles, sign is coming up.